Well, hello everyone, this is Peter Brown with a look at your weather for the next 7 days. Here we are heading in towards the third week of August. I know it's hard to believe that meteorological summer is almost over. I hope you're getting some time to get out there and catch those last rays of summer, as we are heading towards fall pretty quickly, but we have some pretty nice weather still to go ahead, so you don't have to worry about any of that really chilly weather coming in, hopefully for quite some time. As we go ahead, let's take a look at what the Climate Prediction Center is calling for us in terms of temperatures and precipitation for the next 7 to 10 days. Looking at our temperature map, they're looking at us here in southern New England to have fairly average to maybe slightly above average temperatures. Looks like the temperatures are going to be a little bit more above average the further north you head into New England. And it looks like we're going to be staying, I think, from what I'm seeing, fairly average out there. We may have a few days that's actually cooler than average this weekend and at the start of the work week. Now, looking at our precipitation chances, they're also expecting us to have a chance of above average precipitation. I'm seeing that as well. Looks like we're going to have some spotty showers and thunderstorms for at least a few days as we get into a slightly cooler and more humid pattern as we go ahead. Now, of course, everybody knows over this past week we didn't get nearly the amount of rain out of the remnants of Hurricane Debbie that we were originally expecting, and that is going to continue to prolong this slight drought that we have in our area right now. So just keep an eye on that. We do need some water pretty badly right now. We do need some rain to come out of those clouds. So as we go ahead, let's take a look at those 7 days of weather again coming up. And again, starting our period on Friday, looks like it's going to be a very nice day to start out your weekend. Looks like it's going to be mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the low to mid 80s. Then Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and even into Tuesday, looks like we're going to have a fairly predictable pattern here. Looks like chance of showers out there, fairly cloudy out there. A little bit cooler, temperatures hovering in the upper 70s mostly, much stickier out there, so it's going to be a very, very muggy feeling to the air out there, so not this like the nice dry air that we've been seeing over the past couple of days. Now, bear in mind, we are going to be watching a fairly strong hurricane, at least what we think is going to be a fairly strong hurricane, Ernesto, out near Bermuda. Now, right now, it doesn't look like that's going to be affecting us at all, except for some heavy surf heading our way, but as we've seen with some of the models this year, a lot of these storms have been trending further west, so just keep it in the back of your mind. Again, especially if you're going to the beach, be careful of those rip currents and those large waves coming in from Ernesto. And then, as we end up the period, it looks like the sun's going to come back out, temperature's going to get back up there into the mid-80s, before it looks like a fairly strong cold front approaches us on Thursday, which might actually start off a cooling trend for us for a couple of days as we head in towards the next weekend. So everyone, get out there, enjoy the weather, and have a great week.